na I feel awful kasi I don't have to prepare for work. O
Pero
kaya
gising na gising ka
pero
na.
gising na gising na ako kasi sanay na ako ng gano'ng oras na gising.
Mm.
O kaya magna-nap time ako ng tanghali kasi siyempre wala nga akong trabaho na. I feel so
Guilty.
bad. Oo, I feel so guilty na I feel so worthless. Anong ginagawa?
Wala
Lahat
akong
ng
ginagawa.
Oo. Lahat ng mga kakilala kong kaedad ko ay nagtatrabaho ngayon. Ako ay matutulog ng tanghali.
Oo.
Pero it was also like a therapeutic season for me. It taught me dependence on the Lord again. It taught me
Okay.
rest. It taught me simplicity and humility
Totoo.
again. It taught me how to be content. Lately, sa church, pinag-uusapan yung yun yung theme sa church lately, yung contentment and God being enough. Naalala ko yung sa Philippians 4 na in every circumstance, I have learned how to be content. It started during that time na because I know how it is to be
Have plenty, di ba?
I know how it is to have plenty. I know how it is to be in need. I know how it is to be brought low and to be abundant. But in all of these, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So, yun, nagsimula dun sa time na yun.
Sa social media, si Joy Spring, isang content creator din siya. May podcast siya one time. So, I think siya famous DJ, VJ, influencer. So, very busy daw siya. Until, nagpakasal, na-preggy, nanganak. Sabi niya, ang realization niya, I had to stop my life. Kasi syempre, preggy ka, hindi ka pwedeng, yung the usual routine na ginagawa niya. So, sabi niya, before, being busy was my crown.
Correct, exactly.
Diba
Oo
na,
nga, no?
dapat, parang, I feel so proud kasi lagi akong busy. Busy ako, may ginagawa ako na parang, wow, ang galing kasi busy siya lagi. So, nung nawala daw lahat ng yun, yan, I feel ang worthless ng araw ko, productive ba ako? So, dumadating yung ganon.
Yun talaga yung feeling. Exactly. Oo nga, no? It was like a crown. Parang yung sasabihin na busy ako ngayon. It's like a badge of honor that you wear.
Yes.
I'm so busy, ganyan. I barely sleep, ganon. We say it like,
proud pa tayo, no?
Oo, we
Wala
say
akong
it as
tulog.
if, parang, hirap na hirap ka. Pero deep inside, I felt like, ang galing ko talaga. Ganon, ang galing ko talaga. Pero, yun nga, kailangan, naturuan ako during that season of my life to pause, rest, and And after that season, bumalik ako sa corporate world.